So just some behind the scenes, what we're doing is we're undoing these. We just did one there. We're just loosening them to get ready to tighten them, to show you how fast they tighten and what the process is. So if you're releasing the load, how long did you say it takes you to release your chains with these?
I could do all 9 chains and binders in about 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. And you really want to use the drill.
You'll forget the drill one time. It'll never be forgotten.
You'll never, yeah. So you see how fast it is. And when we get to the tie down, we'll talk about drill torque. It's a worm gear over a drive gear. And the drill gets it tighter than an impact. We really do not want to use it. The drill gets it much tighter.
The drill is one of the most important parts of the process.
Right.
The drill, you need at least 850 working amps is what I would suggest.
Yep. And we say 1,000 inch-pounds of torque is what we're looking for.
Right.
So this is a DCD 991, and they make a 996. And the only difference is the 996 has a hammer mode, which we don't use. But we got a 5 amp per hour, 20 volt battery. Now being fully charged, how many, like, will that last this whole coil? Will it last 2 coils?
It lasts 2 full coils, loading and unloading.
Okay.
So I'm using 9 points of contact per coil. So it's doing 18 points of contact twice.
36.
36 points of contact.
All right. So 36, yeah.
36 full cycles.
Yeah.
I'm getting out off of a battery.
Awesome. And you usually carry 2-3 batteries?
I have 3 batteries. I rotate them. So when this battery goes, instead of putting it directly into the charger, I actually let it cool down. And the battery that I've been letting cool down, I put that on the charger. Then the one that was on the charger, I actually put back on the gun.
Cool.
So
cool.
And it seems to, letting them cool down, it seems to allow the batteries to last longer. You know, I've got batteries that I've had for 2 years in the truck, you know, and that's a lot of coils in that 2-year period of time.
All right.
So, so real quickly, when I'm in an area where I've loaded the coil now, obviously I have all my chains set right now. But before I move into the tie down area, I always tighten up my center chain, my brake chain. I just get it snug. When it stops, I stop. I drop it to first gear. I really let it torque down. These brake chains are really important. Now, and I still do my load checks at 50 miles and 100 miles. Hardly ever am I having to retighten the chain. And what's most impressive to me is since I've changed over to this system, I've been pulled over by DOT twice, and both times when I got pulled over by DOT, the moment they see the binders, they're done. They don't even mess with you anymore. Yeah, because you know, these are rated at 9,200 pounds, much more than even the half-inch binders that we can buy. You know, so I mean, they are significantly stronger.
Cool.
So if I have to move into a tie down or a chain down area, I also crisscross 2 chains through the eye. That's the butterfly scenario I keep talking about. So I crisscross 2 chains. So I'm going to go ahead, or 2 binders. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten 2 of them down.